This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Python programming. First, familiarize yourself with the JNTUH R18 syllabus to identify key topics and their weightage. Next, concentrate on mastering fundamental Python concepts like data types, control flow, and functions. Consistent coding practice is crucial. Aim for at least 1 hour daily to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Dive deep into Python's essential data structures, including lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, understanding their unique applications. Grasp object-oriented programming concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism, as these are frequently tested. To truly excel, commit to solving a minimum of 10 programming problems every day, focusing on logic and efficient code. This consistent effort will significantly boost your confidence. For effective exam preparation, analyze previous question papers to understand common question types and recurring themes. Develop brief, clear notes for each topic, highlighting key syntax and concepts, which will be invaluable for last-minute revision. During the exam, allocate your time wisely, perhaps spending 2 minutes per mark, ensuring you attempt all questions. A structured approach minimizes stress and maximizes your score. Before the exam, ensure all your doubts are resolved by consulting with your instructors or study partners. Cultivate a positive and calm mindset. Confidence plays a significant role in performance. Remember to get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before the exam. A well-rested mind performs optimally, allowing you to recall information and solve problems more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.